Hey Chanakyans of grade 2, welcome to the video session. In this video, we are going to learn computer science. Chapter 3, Application of a Computer. I hope already you learned this lesson and you can remember, isn't it? Yes, you will learn this lesson before. And now we are going to recall once again. Is it clear, children? Yes, this is chance to remember the lesson which you learned in earlier. Okay, shall we move on to the lesson? Yes. Yes, children, see here to better understanding, you follow me with your textbook. Okay, take your textbook and take page number 22. Yes, in page number 22, you can see this page and this content, isn't it? Yes. See here, our chapter 3 is about applications of a computer. Applications of a computer. So, what are the things you are going to learn in this lesson? They are the differentiation between humans and computer and types of computers, uses of computer. Isn't it? Yes. First, let's see the difference between human and computer. See here, humans have made a wonderful machine called the computer, isn't it? Yes. So, with the computer, we can do so many activities, and the computer make our work very easy. These computers make our work very easy and also help us to do it faster. See, even human will be very slow in doing such work. It will be very faster to complete a work. So let us find out what how the computer are different from humans. Okay, the first one is speed. So compared to human, it will be more faster, isn't it? Yes, it will work very faster. Humans cannot work as fast as computer. We cannot work as fast as computer. Okay, yes, in your next page you can see tiredness. So if you want to do some work in particular time, you will be get tired, isn't it? Yes, but computer will never get tired. The computer will never get tired. The humans get tired after working for a while. And the mistakes, so sometimes human can be make mistake, isn't it? Yes, the work which is done by the computer will never make any mistake. So human can make mistake at times. Sometimes human can make mistakes. Okay, and then memory. See here, if you take memory, the human memory is lesser than the computer memory. Yes or no? Yes, computers do not forget anything or any information stored in the CPU. Okay, humans may forget the information stored in their minds. So we learned CPU is the brain of computer. So where are we saving all our memories? In brain. So which is the brain of computer? That is CPU, Central Processing Unit, isn't it? Yes. Next, let's see feelings. Computers do not have any feelings. Humans have feelings, and these feelings can be expressed. The humans' feelings can be expressed, but the computer do not have any kind of feelings. Understand? Yes. See in your next page, that is page number 23. The next differentiation is electricity. See, to work in computer we need electricity, but human do not need electricity. Human do not need electricity. So if there is no power, we cannot work in the system. We cannot work in the system computer. Okay, and the human do not need electricity. So electricity is the energy of computer, and for human, for human, which is the electricity? Energy only, electricity. So without energy, when we cannot work. Likewise, without electricity, the computer cannot work. Okay, yes. Decision. A computer cannot take its own decisions. So the program which is given in the computer only perform the output, instead of taking its own decision. Okay, it will not decide by its own. But humans are not like that, isn't it? Yes, if we want, we can decide in our own. It needs to be instructed, the set of instruction to be given to the computer. Okay, it will not think and work by its own, and but the human can take their own decision. See, if we want to work, we can work for some times. If we don't want, we can take rest for some times, isn't it? Yes, but the computer is not like that. So the set of instructions or set of programs should be loaded to the computer. Understand? Yes. See here, children, you can see a middle activity. In this color, the features pink that belong to humans and blue that belong to computer. So some features are given in this boxes. So accordingly, you have to color the human related features. You should color in pink. The machine related features you have to color in blue. Do this activity, children. And see here the next page, types of computers. So there are different types of computers for different purpose. So first let's see about desktop. What is desktop? The computer which you are using in your school lab, isn't it? They are called desktop. Desktop is a computer which is kept on a desk. It is big in size. All the basic parts are attached with the help of wires. All the parts are attached properly, and desktops are kept at one place. They cannot be carried from one place to another for work. So it will be permanent in one place. If we keep in some certain places, it should be constant in that place, and we cannot take the desktop to anywhere. Okay, yes. Next, let's see laptop. Laptop is a small computer that can easily fit on your lap. Okay, so wherever you want, you can take this laptop and you can work in your comfortable place. Okay, it is just opposite of desktop, isn't it? Yes. So this computer you can carry a laptop from one place to another. It is wireless. We don't want any wire connection like desktop. The desktop's parts will be attached with the help of wires, right? But in this laptop it doesn't need any wire, and we can take it to any place and we can work from any place where we are comfortable, and it works with the help of batteries that can be charged with electricity. See, like mobile phone, once the charger when goes down, what you will do? You will be connecting the electricity through charger, isn't it? Yes, likewise we have to connect the charger when the battery gone down. Okay, yes. Next, let's see the next type of computer, that is palm top. So in the name itself we can understand this computer will be like our palm. Okay, the size of this computer will be our palm size. Okay, this palm top is even smaller than a laptop is bigger, but this palm top is much smaller than laptop. It is so small that. Next, let's see the tablet. See, this tablet means nothing but a mobile computer which is very easily to use. It is very easy to use, and it is even smaller than a laptop and bigger than a palm top. Okay, and it fit in your hand. It works on the touch screen touch screen technology, and also it has a keyboard built inside it. The keyboard will be built inside it. All these computers are called PCs. PCs means personal computer. PC means personal computer. A personal computer is made in such a way that it can be used by only one person at a time. Okay, yes. Okay, children, now let's see the fact file. Okay, see, even nowadays mobile phones are also available that can perform some functions of a computer, isn't it? Yes, they are called smartphones. So in our smartphones we are using some of the computer programs, isn't it? Yes, whatever you want, even a Word, Excel, everything can be work in the mobile and in the smartphones, isn't it? Yes. So nowadays we are using the computer in mobile phone. So wherever we are going, we can carry it. Yes or no? Yes. And the or everything, MS Word also nowadays you can work in that, and also painting, drawing, more than that we are using in computer. Okay, sorry, in the smartphone. Okay, yes. See, children, now we are going to learn uses of computers. Okay, so in this, we are going to learn what are the uses in various places. Okay, see, computers are very useful in our day to day life. Yes or no? Yes, in our day to day life, we are using computer in many areas. They are usually in every places, so many places where use the computers. Okay, it is making the work easier and faster. The first place of computer usage is in school. See, computers are used in school for many purpose, used in school for many purpose, and they are used for maintaining students record, sharing information, and so even in the school library, they are using the computer, isn't it? Yes, computers are also used for creating report cards. Even with the computer, we can create report cards. Okay, and next we can see in the usage of computer in home. The computer, the user can use the computer at home to read books, play games, watch movies, and listen music, isn't it? Yes, the many useful documents can be saved in the computer. Many information and many important documents can be saved in the computer, like phone numbers, addresses, and birthday dates, and photos, videos, everything can be saved in the computer. Okay, and I'll give you one work, children. The computer is also used in libraries. You are going to find it how it is useful in library. Okay, yes. Next, let's see the use of computer in office. In early days, they used to sit and write all the details or the transactions in the office area, isn't it? Yes. So there was the need of paper was high, isn't it? Yes. The need of paper was high. All the written papers were filed in a box file or some other thing, isn't it? Yes. And once they started using computer, they reduced the paperwork. Okay, it reduced the paperwork in office. Computers are used for typing and taking print documents. Okay, yes, computers can also perform like an information saver. So many information can be saved. Okay, children, now let's watch the video.
Uses of computers. Hi, today we are going to learn about different uses of computer. Computers have gained a place in everyone's life. From a child to an old man, everyone uses computers. Computer can work faster than humans. It saves time and effort. It is used in schools by teachers for teaching and for printing test papers and report cards. It is used to save the data of thousands of students. It is also used at home for playing games listening to music, drawing pictures, and solving sums. It is also used in offices to type letters and documents, and also to store large amount of information. Computers are used to generate bills and maintain accounts at shops, restaurants, and malls. Computers are used at cash counters of banks to help us deposit, withdraw money. Computers are used at hospitals to prepare the patient's reports and maintaining the patient records. Computers help in booking railway or aeroplane tickets and to maintain the records of passengers traveling in train or plane. Apart from this, computers are also used by animators to make animated movies.
Understood the use of computer? Yes, let's continue that. See here, even in the shops and supermarkets, even you might have seen that the supermarket and shops and all, they will be typing the prices in the computer. Okay, it will reduce the time of calculating the prices. Okay, computers help to maintain records of daily sales and items available. They are also used for printing bills. Okay, they'll be giving printed bills. Yes or no? Yes. And next, let's see how it is useful in banks. Computers are used in banks for many purposes. They are used for maintaining customer details. Computers also help to make online transactions. So nowadays, even we don't want to go to bank for any transactions, isn't it? Yes, even in the computer itself we can make transactions, and they provide information to the users. Okay, computers are also used for withdrawal of money at the ATM. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Yes or no? Have you ever visited ATM? Yes, even the ATM also worked by computer only. Okay, yes. Next, let's see how it is useful in hospitals. Even in hospital, it is very much useful because we can record all the details of patients who are admitted in particular hospitals, isn't it? Yes, and they help to detect and monitor diseases, and they are used for preparing reports. They help in performing operations and other medical procedures. So the use of computer in the hospital is more. Okay, yes. Okay, children, next let's see the next page. Okay, how it is useful in the railway station. It is railway station and airport. So what are they doing in railway station and airport? They are they are booking the tickets of train and airport and computer, isn't it? Yes, and they provide us with information about the arrival and dispatcher timings of aeroplanes and also the train. So all the details related to the train or airport, the train or aeroplane will be given in that printed list, and even they will be sending mail to us, isn't it? Yes. And making films, I hope you might have seen so many cartoon movies and cartoon videos, isn't it? Yes. How are they making all those things? The small toys are going inside and playing like that? No, with the help of computer, they are making it to walk, play, talk, everything. Okay, the computers are used for making movies and cartoons. See, the adding special effects and animations to them, it is possible to make the toys or the make the doll to speak and act. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's see the glossary words. What are we going to see? Glossary words. ATM. What did I tell you? for the short form ATM, that is automated teller machine, isn't it? Yes. And desktop, it is a computer which is kept on a desktop. Then laptop, it is a small computer that can easily fit on your lap. Next, palm top, it is a small computer that can easily fit on your palm. Personal computers, what is personal computers? The computers that can be used by one person at a time is called personal computers. Tablets, it is a touch based mobile computer. Okay, and in this tablets are smaller than laptop and bigger than palm top. Is it clear, children? Yes. And in this they have given only the book bag. After this, see here children, you try to complete your book bags. Okay, yes, see here, match the names with the given picture. You are going to match the names with the given picture. The first one is palm top, the second one is desktop, the third one is laptop, and the last fourth one is what? Tablet. Okay, see here in this you are going to match it. This is laptop, right? This to this, and the second one is tablet, isn't it? The tablet, this, and the third one palm top, and the next desktop. Is it clear, children? Yes. Okay, all the answers are correct. Okay, yes. And next, let's see the other answers. Yes, just let's wait for this. And a laptop dash fit in your palm. Laptop can fit in your palm or cannot fit in your palm? The laptop cannot fit in your palm. And dash can never make mistake. Who can never make mistake, human or computers? Yes, that is computers. And the third one, a computer dash tried easily. Does not get tired easily. A computer dash tired easily, does not get tired easily. Yes, the fourth one, a computer dash take its own decision. Can take or cannot take? Yes, it cannot take its own decision. And a desktop computer runs on battery or electricity? Desktop, that is electricity. Sixth one, computers dash have feelings. Do not have feelings or they do have feelings? They do not have feelings. Okay, have you completed? Yes. And the next one is your question answer part only. Okay, children, we came to the end. I hope you understood the lesson, isn't it? Yes. Please re-watch the video if you didn't understand. Okay, try to complete your classwork as well as your book back exercise. Now we discussed the book back exercise, right? Yes, you re-watch the video and try to complete it. Stay home, stay safe, and keep doing your learning activities. Okay, children, see you in the next video. Thank you.